हेलो स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे असाइनमेंट के कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स जिसमें कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने डाउट रेज किए थे। आज मैं उसी को डिस्कस करने के लिए ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। तो चलिए अपन स्टार्ट करते हैं। आपको मैंने जो असाइनमेंट दिया था उस असाइनमेंट में इन दैट असाइनमेंट आई हैव गिवन यू अ क्वेश्चन, दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 4B. This question is related with the efficiency of the transformer. So today we are going to solve this question. Okay, in this question we have a transformer. Okay, we have a transformer whose kVA rating is 10 kVA. Okay, what do you mean by kVA rating? KVA means this is the apparent power of the transformer, and the value of that the power is apparent power is 10 kVA. Okay, now in this transformer we have V1 2000 volt, we have V2 means secondary voltage 1000 volt. In that single phase transformer we have an efficiency of 95%, means this transformer is giving 95% efficiency if it is working on full load and working at 0.8 power factor lagging. In the same way, this transformer also say gives same efficiency 95% efficiency when it is half load. Okay, half load means in secondary side we have connected half of the rated load. Okay, at the zero point 0.7 power factor lagging. Okay, and in this question it is saying that you have to just calculate the efficiency at full load at 0.8 power factor, and second one is efficiency at half load at zero point 0.7 power factor lagging. So look here what we have to do in this question. In this question, first of all you have to apply efficiency formula. Okay, so just write down the whatever the efficiency formula of the single phase transformer. Now second thing, in this question is using load in the form of full load and it is using load in the form of half load. Okay, so in the previous lecture I have told you that there is a change in the formula when we use some percentage of the load. What the changes are there? Look here. Here this is your formula for efficiency, and this formula is your apparent power into cos phi 2. Now this cos phi 2 is your power factor of the load, or you can say that power factor of secondary side, load side. Okay, into 1000 divided by kVA into cos phi 2 into 1000 plus Pi is your iron loss and Pw is your copper loss. Okay, now look here. Here this 1000, why it's written here 1000? Because this you have to write this 1000 when this kVA rating is given in VA in your numerical. But as we know that in our numerical this value is already given in kilo kVA. Okay, so there is no need to take this 1000 and this 1000. Okay, so just remove this 1000 from here, because in the numerical you have already the apparent power is already given in kVA. Okay, but you have to use this 1000 when this apparent power is written in VA, but in this case you don't need to use this 1000. So what will be the formula for efficiency for this numerical? It will be kVA into cos phi 2 upon kVA into cos phi 2 plus core loss, copper loss. Okay, now look here, this is a special case. What is special case? In this question you are not using full load always. Okay, you are using some percentage of full load. For example, in the numerical it is mentioned that you are using half load at 0.7 power factor and it is giving 95% efficiency. So in this case there will be a change in the formula. What will be the change? Look here, whenever you use some fraction of the load, means अगर हम लोड का कुछ परसेंटेज ही यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो उस फ्रैक्शन को हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा एपरेंट पावर के साथ. सो क्या करेंगे हम यहाँ, ये देखिए फ्रैक्शनल लोड के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है, x x क्या है, फ्रैक्शन। क्या फ्रैक्शन? फॉर एग्जांपल आपके न्यूमेरिकल में लिखा है हाफ लोड, तो यहाँ पर फ्रैक्शन क्या हुआ, 1/2। ओके, यानी x की वैल्यू क्या हो गई, 1/2 यानी 0.5। सो इन दिस केस your efficiency formula for efficiency will be x into kVA into cos phi 2 upon x into kVA into cos phi 2 bracket close plus core loss and plus x square of copper loss. Now look here, need not to multiply x with the core loss. Why? Because core loss is always fixed, it does not depend on the load current. Okay, but look here, what is this? This is your copper loss, and copper loss depend on current. And whenever you use percentage of load, means full load, half load, and whatever the fraction of load, in that case when we change the fraction of load, then current also changes. That means copper loss also will get changes, and in copper loss current is I square. That's why we multiply x square with this copper loss. Okay, क्लियर? होप स्टूडेंट ये आपको फॉर्मूला क्लियर हो गया होगा। ओके, अब आते हैं हम लोग न्यूमेरिकल के सोल्यूशन पे। ओके, मैंने कल आप लोगों से ये डिस्कस भी किया था, फिर से एक बार और डिस्कस कर लेते हैं जो मैंने सोल्यूशन बनाया था। क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, पहला केस था कि एफिशिएंसी ये ट्रांसफार्मर की 95% फुल लोड पे विथ 0.8 पावर फैक्टर। ओके, और सेम इसी क्वेश्चन का दूसरा कंडीशन था कि एफिशिएंसी 95% है हाफ लोड पे 0.7 पावर फैक्टर के साथ। अब यहाँ पे अपने को समझने वाली बात यह है कि अपने को मालूम है कि इन केस ऑफ एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द ट्रांसफार्मर वी ऑल्सो नीड कॉपर लॉस एंड कोर लॉस, but in the question these copper and core loss are not given. So the trick is you have to calculate these value by using some trick. So what is the trick? Look here, already you have given two efficiency with two different terms, so just apply these values in the efficiency and just derive two equations. Okay, when you have two equations, then easily you can calculate these two unknown variables. So how we calculate? Look here your efficiency is eta. Now in question this eta is given in percentage. Okay, but here I am written his eta only, so that's why I have converted this 95% into 95 upon 100. Okay, so what will be the formula here? Eta into apparent power. Apparent power is already given 10 kVA into cos phi 2. Cos phi 2 is here 0.8 divided by again apparent power 10 kVA into cos phi 2 0.8 bracket close plus copper loss and core loss. Okay, now put the value of efficiency here. The efficiency is 95%, so convert it into decimal, so 95 upon 100. Put this value here, you will get a equation, that is copper loss plus core loss equals to 0.42. This is your equation 1. Now comes to the second condition. What is your second condition? In second condition here efficiency is again 95%, but there is a change in power factor, and one more important thing, there is a change in the load. Okay, now in this case you are using half load. Now what happened in half load? In case of fractional load you have to use x in the formula, and what is the value of x here for half load? It will be 1/2. Okay, so just multiply this x with apparent power here, and multiply x square with the copper loss here, so you will get a new equation. Okay, now just put these value in that equation. X means 1/2 into apparent power, it is 10 kVA, into power factor already given in the question 0.7 divided by again x into apparent power into cos phi 2 plus core loss plus copper loss. Now look here, in this copper loss I have multiplied x square, and the value of x is 1/2, so I have multiplied 1/2 square of 1/2 with this copper loss. Now just simplify that equation. Here in the case of eta again I have used 95 divided by 100. यहाँ आप कंफ्यूज नहीं हो जाइएगा, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में यहाँ गिवन है 95%, बट यहाँ पर मैंने परसेंटेज नहीं लिया है। अगर मैं परसेंटेज लूँगा अगर मुझे परसेंटेज के फॉर्म में लिखना होगा तो फिर मुझे यहाँ 100 मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा। ओके, सो यहाँ मैं 100 मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तो ये 100 यहाँ से